Hey guys, welcome to another Lux Automotives video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to replace the hinges on your Kia Sorento. The one we have right now is the 2016 to the 2020 models. Other vehicles are actually very similar, so stay tuned and we'll go through it step by step. As you can see here, the hinges is actually broken, so the hood is not aligned properly. It's actually rubbing against the fender in that area there, so we'll be replacing that today. So as you can see, this is the damaged hinge. It's broken, but in order for us to remove that, there are two bolts holding it down, and it's actually below the cowl panel. I don't know if you could see that, but in order for us to get that hinge out, we'll have to remove the cowl panel. So what I'll do, I'll remove the hood and I'll get straight to removing the cowl panel. We have the hood removed, so right now I'm just gonna be removing the cowl panel. Stay tuned to the end. I'll actually show you how I was able to remove and will reinstall the hood all by myself, like with no help. So stay tuned, you'll want to see that. So in order to get the cowl panel out, you have to remove the wiper arm. So right now I'm removing the tabs that actually cover the nuts that hold the wiper arms in place. The nuts are actually 14s, so once we get that out, then we're gonna remove the clips that hold the cowl panel in place. Also, we have to disconnect the water line that is for the windshield washer, and we're good to go. So we have successfully removed the hinges. So right now we have a side-by-side comparison of the old hinge, which is being replaced, and the new one, which is going to be replacing the old one. Yes, this is a genuine hinge from Kia. However, there are clearly some build differences with the hinges. For example, on the base of the old one, we have that piece of metal which is riveted on, and there is a curvature right going to the rear hole for the bolt, for the 10 bolt. However, on the new one, that's not the case. So there are a few differences. Even the adjustment bolt, that bolt actually is not, it's actually at an angle instead of like straight up. So there are a few differences with the builds. However, it's a proper replacement for the vehicle. Yeah. For the next step, we're gonna be installing the hinges, but before that, let us actually just rinse off that area, because a lot of water and dirt and moisture just settles and accumulates in that area. So we're just gonna rinse it off to get all of the heavy dirt out before we put the new part on. So let's do that. now that we have the hinges installed, we're gonna connect the struts to it, and I'll show you guys how I install the hood all by myself with no help, just being resourceful and being careful. Now to show you guys how I install the hood, and to be honest, it was a no-brainer. Like, it wasn't any crazy method or anything. I just got some really thick clothing and I placed it, you know, over the windshield and the fender, so that even if the hood actually touches it, like, it's all good, you know what I mean? So like, that's all I did, to be honest. The only thing is the hood is quite heavy, so you would have to, like, you know, lift it and hold it up while trying to, like, catch the bolts on, so, you know, be mindful of that. But yeah, other than that, it's not rocket science. So finally, now that we have the hood in position, all we need to do is just make sure it's aligned properly, make sure the spacings on both sides are equal, and we're good to go. We have to do some body work on the hood. If you made it this far, I really appreciate you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content.